Hello guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to make this amazing Oreo cake. First take a mixing bowl, add 25 Oreo biscuit here. We took the small 10 rupees one from the market, and when we counted them all it was total 25 Oreo biscuit. Then take out 3 pieces of Oreo biscuit for later garnishing. Then add 1 cup of lukewarm milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then soak them for 2 minutes and after mix them well. Mix them well and make a no lumps batter. Then add small packet of Eno, 1 will be enough. And again mix it for 1 minute. And now our no lumps batter is ready. You can see the consistency, it should look something like that. Now take a small pressure cooker, then grease it with oil. And then pour the batter in the greased pressure cooker. We took a small pressure cooker. You guys can also cook it in the oven if you want. If you do in the oven, you should put it for 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then cover the lid of the pressure cooker. But you should remove the whistle. Now bake it directly on the gas stove for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid and insert a toothpick inside it. If the pick comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. Now take a frying pan, then add half cup of grated chocolate compound, 3 tablespoons of milk. And then melt it on low flame. It's now melted well. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. Then open the lid of the cake and then after cooling it, demold the cake. We ate the cake hot. You guys can wait for it to cool down. We ate it hot because we were in an emergency. If you guys wait for it to cool down, then it will not break like ours. And then after removing the wrapper, put the chocolate ganache on top. Then we are going to take the Oreos for garnishing. And then refrigerate it for 2 hours and then serve it. We didn't refrigerate it since we were in an urgent. You guys should refrigerate it then eat it. Then it will be more tasty. Guys, look at that. It is very juicy and yummy. Like, it's very mouth watering and it's very creamy. You guys can see that I'm taking a cake from there. Now thanks for watching this video. Bye guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.